Okay, so guys, I didn't even record. Man, are you serious? I hate this shit, man.
Here's $100. Here's $100.
Thank you.
Because you didn't record me to start with. And
Oh, I'm so unlucky, guys. Yeah. But guys, I think I'm gonna go like.
I have
Just gonna go
$9,000.
do like 15 minutes. Not like 5-minute video, guys. Or something.
But you weren't recording.
Yes.
Well, I feel bad for you. That's why I gave you that $100.
Okay. Tack.
You're welcome. I have like $9,000, so I kind of.
Shout out to Olipop!
The creator? The creator? You?
Mig.
You. Vad är det blå?
Starbucks.
Ertu í stofu B? Ertu enn í stofu B?
Ja.
Ég kom í stofu D?
Ja.
D? 5D? Eða 6D?
Nei, það var heima. Já, já, við erum í stigu. I'm so dumb. Hvað?
Cotton candy hérna.
Já.
Bara eins og
Það er ís.
var cotton candy í þessu.
Nei, ís. Við varum þetta niður eða var rusli.
Var þetta gott?
Já.
Rosa gott. Smakkaði þetta eins og cotton candy?
Já. Eira. Já.
Bad. Hvað?
Okay, guys.
We have á morgun er
No.
á morgun er svona admin abuse í Steal a brain or to grow a garden og eitthvað annað. Þetta er fyrsta admin abuse í þessum leik. Slay. Why you eyes so big? Why you eyes so big? Why you eyes so big? Let me see. Ég hef eitthvað 9.000 eftir sko.
Papi!
You puppy.
Guys, this is too lame. This is too lame, my friend. So, I'm gonna go. So bye bye.